What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock options analysis. So I'll take you over the data on how the options are looking like and what type of options has a possibility of making money based off of the technicals, and which options I think, in my opinion, may go worthless. Now, this is just my opinion here and my way of reading the market. Nothing is financial advice, just for educational purposes, okay? Also, please check out my morning video, guys, that I did on Tesla. If you want to know how technicals on Tesla are looking like, here's the video. So right over here, guys, I did this video this morning. Tesla stock is $200 move, massive move coming, $200 plus massive moves coming, to be precise. So this video will teach you a lot on the technicals and the possibilities on how Tesla in the price action and the structure is looking like. And if you see that video, you will already have a head start in this particular video for the options analysis. Again, I'll be providing a bit of background here on that, but in detail, if you want to know about it on the technicals, check this video out of Tesla on my channel, guys. Okay, so now let's start off with first setting the foundation on the technicals very high level real quick. So Tesla is still in the bullish structure, guys. It is still holding $180. We are above 20 and 50 days moving average as well. Now, as I have been saying, that Tesla is not it's not a bearish structure. It's not even in a bearish territory as long as it keeps holding 180, and also there's a bit of a leeway here until 175. But this dip I don't want to see. This dip has been mostly taken as a buying back zone. So as long as it holds, that's great. But I won't really discount it on the downside fully as if it comes to 175. If we go below that, then yeah, then there's a structural change again, and then your possibility to see a bullish structure would be a inverted head and shoulder at 160 level. So yes, technically we are still bullish, and 180 is above we want to keep holding, and Tesla is in the structure looking bullish so far. Now, let's take a look at the options and let's take a look at the possibilities based off of that. Now, black is the last closing price, green are the calls, red are the puts. Right off the gate, what are we seeing is that we have huge calls sitting at $200 range, right? At least for now, for this week expiration, this coming week expiration. So $200 call, Junior Trader, is that possibility. So where is $200? $200 is right up here. Can these traders make the money, which is also taking out this recent high, right? So guys, the structure is to the upside, okay? So yes, these $200 call can make money as long as by Monday, end of the day, we can get out of 184. Look, Tesla from last 3 days is just going sideways, chopping around, consolidating. It's not a type of stock that will stay in this consolidation for more than 3 or 4 days. Okay, this stock makes moves real quick. So if we get above 184, let's say Monday or Tuesday, $200 calls are possible to make money. Yes, we have to get out of this channel as well. So you do have to go through resistance by resistance, but the direction of the stock does gives the possibility of going to $200 plus. Okay, so that's that. So this options data is looking fine to me. Well, fine to me in a sense that price is in that direction. Okay, we do have to go through some structural sides of that channel as well. Okay, we do have a good variety at 185 and 190. Let's take a look at that. 185 is very likely the possibility. As soon as we break 184, 185 calls will make the money. Now, speaking of that, then let's take a look at how much they are going for. The risk is 2.91, that is $291. For if you're full on going for one contract, that is, times 100, because it's, size is 100, and compare that to 200, which is going cheaper, right? But here's the thing, and this is, again, if you're trading options in and out, then guys, there's a lot more you have to see. What is the price going at that particular time? If stock price is going up and down, your premiums would fluctuate quite soon. This is for if someone is trying to buy and hold until expirations and all of that. Okay, so you can still use this data as for reference to if you're still planning to trade in and out, because the fluctuation of the premium would not be that huge. It will still be there, but not that huge. But still, just telling you that this 182 and sorry, $185 is going for 291. $200 is going for what, $40 one contract. But the thing is that, or the one lot, I should say. But the thing is that a high possibility? Well, I would say find something that if you are risking your money, but even if it's high risk, but there's more guaranteed of you making the money out of it as well. So that would be, guys, right now, anywhere, I think. Let's see, because for that you would want to stay under this channel at least, because $200 is a possibility, no doubt about that. Structure is in that direction. It's just that we have to get out of this another channel. So anything until 187, around that, these are the better, safer calls options that I want to say, as if they are the safer. All right. Now let's take a look at the puts. So I'm not seeing much puts until 170, but let's talk about this spike that we have at 150. Guys, that's an impossibility in my opinion. 150 is where? Right around here. Like, Tesla has to go through two structural changes to go to the $150. One structure change is losing $180 to $175 range. Next structure change is $164 to $160 change. $150 is impossibility in my opinion. These puts gonna go worthless. They're cooked. All right, these puts not gonna make money. So is 155 not gonna make money. The only possible puts I can talk about are 175 to 180 and maybe 170 if we lose 175, but nothing lower than that. We're not gonna go below 170 on the puts. There is no point in talking about that. Just remember, puts still have very less chance of making money because structure on Tesla is bullish. All right, the Tesla stock structure is bullish. So, but I'm just saying that even if we starts to lose these levels, the only potential possibility is only until $170 puts, nothing more than that. Because those lower ones which are like piling up at 150, those are impossible to make money on. The structure is just not even in that direction, and there are two structural levels to even break, and I don't think Tesla is I don't think Tesla is bearish that it's going to make these changes to go below $150. And if you have seen my technical video that I did this morning, guys, Tesla on weekly interval, 150 is where? Below this pivotal change. Like, there are two structure changes that Tesla has already done here. It's above all of that. So it has more potential of forming inverted head and shoulder here rather than going to the $150. So why would you, sorry, 100, oh, where? Look, 150 is right here. Like, that's impossible in my opinion going in this week. So those puts are cooked. Those puts at $150 are cooked, guys. Okay, cool. And let's see if the hedging is possible. Is it worthwhile to hedge on Tesla? Let's say you're playing calls, but you want to hedge for the puts. Let's see. Let's pick up a hedge of, let's say 170, just to calculate, right? How much lower? We $10 down. Let's go $10. So this is just my way of calculating. Okay, you can calculate however you like the hedging risk tolerance. So there's a little bit of a better chance your puts, because in NVIDIA case the hedging was just irrelevant. There was no difference or delta. But in case of $10 hedge on Tesla, if you hedge, if you're playing much more calls, let's say 180, let's first take, let's example of 185. If you're playing a lot of calls on Tesla 185, you can hedge for 175 and you will have a cheaper. So you will hedge for $2. I'm just simplifying it. You just $2 time it by 100. And then you're playing calls for 291. But again, these are your risks. So if you make money on one side, remember you are taking that out from the other side. So you are netting on it, okay? But this is a way you can do hedge as well if you like. Otherwise, if you would just want to play one side, that's up to you. Just my opinion, guys, just educational advice here. But yeah, that's how I would see. But yeah, there's a better chance of hedging it on Tesla rather than it was on NVIDIA. But anyways, guys, that's my opinion for Tesla options for this coming week. And if you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, guys, take care. Bye.